Hello and welcome back. In previous video we have done single level inheritance. Now we will do multi-level inheritance. In multi-level I have already told you that there are three class and base class will be assessed by the first drive class and this drive class will be assessed by third drive class. Let's make here drive class drive for this is second and we will pass here drive. I think they are same here. Now I will get here again the same problem. I will get here define get one, because we will not make get here because the compiler will confuse with get. We have to print here. I will simply pass get and I should gain here C. Self.c is equal to C, and let's make another method that is called put 3. This is third put statement we are writing. It will pass self only and we will print this self.c. Now I have to make the object of the drive class 2 and I have to pass get one here. I'll pass get here and get one here. Here I will simply pass 30 and C. Here object dot put 2 put and I will make object dot put 3. I am making this random upper side and below this function. Nothing happened. Let's run and see, and I will explain this code. Here telling me no component called C. Self.c is equal to C. We have to get this, but let's remove it here and we will see other, and we will, as we have got 20 and 20 here. Why we had get 20 and 20 here? Yes, here I have to pass 21 get one, so we was getting that object dot put 3. Let's run it. So we were getting that result here 20. I will change this to 30 and save it and run it. As we are getting 10, 20 and 30, I am printing first of all put 2 this, put 3. Now here it will here a long process it is doing here. Here when we make the object of this class, it will search for drive. Here it will go for drive and it has again adapted feature from base, and it will again jump to base and it will find the constructor. Here it is searching for constructor because we are passing variable that the constructor is, first of all, when the object is created, constructor is called. For this it is moving to first of all drive to, it will where we are for which class we are making the object. Here we are getting derived and it will run to derived, and again we have base class. Base is class because when it read from off, it has already known base is a class, so it will say base is a class. So there is another class that we are getting the value from and it will jump to base. and when it jump to base, here is no any class, so it will find the constructor and assign the value here, and we can call by this class and every class, this class and both this class. This is the benefit of multiple inheritance. But multi-level inheritance, if we make more and more level, means we are making only 2 level here. If you make 3 level, 4, 5, 6, 7, the data insecurity may be, cause means here it may be age equal to 10, and here it may change to 20, it may change to 30, next will change to some very value, and that will change to different value. This will lead to our data insecurity. This is how we can call this value here. Now another benefit of the inheritance is that here, sorry for this, here we have in the base class this is a variable a, here in the derived class there is b, and in derived 2 there is c. But if you have different function like in beside the class, or if you had this function in class without assessing this inheritance, we cannot assess in this class and in this class this variable. Now I want to show that I will make this numeric one, means this is an integer type. I will make this also integer type, so we can calculate some value. Otherwise it will make, if we add this variable of 20 with string 20, 10 and 30, it will give 201030, rather giving us 60. So here I will make on variable d is equal to self dot a plus self dot b plus self dot d. Here we are not assessing value from anywhere, we are not passing argument here in anywhere of this value, but we can assess this by simply self. Self means it is of this class and it is getting to this class also. The self means this derived class also assess this class, and this class will also assess this class and this class, and we can simply print here sum is equal to plus d. We have to make this str because we will get this in the form of integer and we cannot concatenate integer and this. Let's print all this here. It has derived 2 has no object d, it is giving me no object d here. Here we should get it, sorry, here no d, here should be c. Let's print it. As this is sum is equal to 20, I will print here first of all print self.c. Let's print it and see if we get 10, 20, 30 and result sum is 60. This is the benefit of inheritance, and we will meet in next video with next inheritance. We are going to do only 3 inheritance here. You can do all of this. I will show other also with only some concept, but I will not write the program. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay with us and please share with others so that other people would get the knowledge.